Must visit my channel and playlist of class 10 CBSE. हेलो गाइस, आज हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से रिलेटेड जितने भी MCQ है उसे हम करने वाले हैं और इसमें हम प्रेजेंटेशन के थ्रू हम एक एक क्वेश्चंस को करेंगे। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, अ वायर इज ड्रॉन सच दैट इट्स रेडियस चेंजेस फ्रॉम R2 to R. The new resistance is 1/4 times, 4 times, 8 times, and the option D 1/16 times. And the answer is option D 1/16 times. And here is the explanation, and the remaining part is here. So that's why R1 is equal to R16. Question 2, 3 metallic wires have lengths and cross-sectional areas as L and A, or 2L, A by 2 and 1 by 2 and 2A. The resistance will be minimum in option A, wire of cross sectional area A by 2, wire of cross sectional area A, wire of cross sectional area 2A, same in all the three cases. And here answer is option C, and here is the explanation. And here is the question 3, SI unit of a specific resistance is ohm, ohm meter in negative power, and ohm meter to the power -2. So here answer is option B, and here is the explanation. Now question 4, the equivalent resistance between the points P and Q is 6 ohm, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, and 1 ohm. And the answer of this question is here, and the figure is here, and the answer is option B. And here is the explanation how it will be. Now question 5, IV characteristic of a copper wire of length L and area of cross section A is shown in figure. The slope of the curve becomes less if the length of the wire is increased, more if the length of the wire is increased, more if the experiment is formed at higher temperature, more if the wire of steel of same dimension is used. And so here is the answer, option A is correct here, and here is the explanation why it is correct. Now question 6, the plot which shows the dependence of current I on potential difference V across a resistance R is the plot 1, 2, 3 and 4, and you have to choose which one is correct. And here option D is correct, because the graph between V and I is a straight line passing through the origin. Now question 7, the VI graph of 3 resistors P, Q and S are as shown in figure. Which resistors has maximum resistance? P, Q, S all have equal resistance. And here is the figure, and option A is correct here. And here is the explanation, and remaining part is here. You can note that. So question 8, the VI graph of metallic conductor at temperature T1 and T2 are shown in figure. We may conclude T1 is equal to T2, T1 is greater than T2, T1 is smaller than T2, T1 and T2 can't be compared. So here is the figure, and option C is correct. And here is the explanation, you can go through. Now question 9, how much energy given to each coulomb of charge passing through 10 volt battery? 1 joule, 10 joule, 10 kilowatt hour, none of these, and is 10 joule. Option B is correct. Now question 10, the number of electrons constituting 1 coulomb of charge is 3.5 into 10 to the power 16, 6.45 into 10 to the power 17, 6.25 into 10 to the power 18, 1.6 into 10 to the power 19. And here option C is correct. So you can see the explanation. Now question 11. What is the lowest total resistance that can be secured by combination of 4 coil of resistance 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm? And here are the options. And here is the answer. Option A is correct, 2 ohm. And here is the simple numerical. So question 12. If a wire of resistance 5 ohm is stretched to 3 times its length, its resistance will become 5 by 3 ohm, 15 ohm, 35 ohm, 45 ohm. And option D is correct. And here is the simple numerical. Now question 13. The resistivity of wire varies with length, varies with its cross section, varies with its mass, is dependent of length, cross section and mass of the wire. And for the answer D is correct. Now question 14. The resistance of a straight conductor is independent of temperature, material, cross section, shape of cross section. And here option D is correct. And now question 15. A wire of resistance R is stretched M, its original length, its new resistance will be MR, M square R, R by M square, R by M. And option B is correct, and you can see the explanation. Now question 16. The VI graph of resistor is shown in figure. If the resistance is determined at points A, B, C, then it is found that resistance at A, B, C are equal. C is lower than at B, B is lower than that at A, B is higher than that A. And the option is, the correct answer is option D. Here is the explanation. Now question 17. 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 3 joule, 3.6 into 10 to the power 5 joule. And I think you know option C is correct. Now going to question 18. A multimeter is used to measure current only, voltage only, resistance only, current, resistance and voltage. And here option D is correct. Now question 19. A number of cells when connected in series form battery, generator and inverter. A battery eliminator. And here option A is correct. Now you can see the question 20. The current of a circuit shown in figure is 3A, 2A, 1A and 0.75A. You can see the figure and just calculate the answer. And here option D is correct, 0.75A. And here is your explanation how it is correct. You can see and note down. Now question 20. Refer to question 20. The potential drop across the point P and Q of a circuit is 0.75 volt, 1.5 volt, 2.25 volt, 3 volt. And you can see the question 20 here. And its answer is option A, 0.75 volt. And here is the explanation. Now question 20. Which of the following is not the unit of energy? Joule, ME, volt. I don't know what is this. Now option C, kilowatt hour. And option D, watt meter to the power -2. And here option D is correct. Now question 23. An equilateral resistance is formed with each side having a resistance of 6 ohm. What is the resistance across any side of the triangle? 2 ohm, 6 ohm, 4 ohm, none of these. And its answer is option C. Option C is the correct answer. And you can see the explanation. So we have done all the questions. Thank you for watching our video, and just subscribe the channel. And for your kind information, we have done so many objective of class 10 and MCQ related to physics class 10, all the chapters. Just click on the I button, or at the end of the video we'll get the link. So we have done everything. So just subscribe the channel and hit the like button. Thank you.